welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be short, simple, and sweet. It's a little haul of some items that I ordered and they finally arrived, and I would like to share them with you all. But before I get into what I ordered, don't forget, if you are new by here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified once I post videos here onto my channel. So the items that I ordered are from Solde Jamor. That's how you spell. That's how you say it, I think. And Naturium.com. So I went on their websites because Sephora, Ulta, none of them had what I was looking for. So we're gonna go with Naturium first. And what I got from them was their Dew Glow Moisturizer with SPF 50 in it. Got this here, and I've been seeing a lot of great reviews on it. Of course, you know I use Good Molecules on my face, which I've been using since they sent me a PR package almost 3 years ago, and I just been repurchasing and buying from Ulta or from their website for that product. But I wanted to try some different moisturizer so I can like double moisturize, which is good for your skin, especially mine. Even though it's about to be spring and summer and all of that, my skin still tends to dry out, so double moisturizing helps me. I haven't done it in a while, but I'm gonna start back, so I wanted to add this to my collection. So yeah, try this out. Once I start using it, I would definitely let you know how I feel about it. But yeah, that's one item I got off of their website. The other one was their Plant Ceramide Rich Moisturizing Cream, another moisturizing cream. I haven't heard too much about this one here, and this is the packaging that it comes in. And I just want to try it. And it was free, actually. This little item right here was free with me purchasing I think it was purchasing this. You got a free item on their web. It was something going on their website where they was having like a sale. But yeah, that item was free, and I will use that too, just to see how I like it. But my main focus besides the moisturizer were their lip balms. So they didn't have the neutral colors, so I went with the other trio set, which is their the colors Petal, Lychee, and Jam. So this is the Petal one. This is Lychee. And then the Jam. I think I may lean towards more of these colors here. I do like a pale pink, but my favorite all time, even with lipstick, is darker colors. So I may lean towards more using these more. But yeah, I got these three items here. And it was a set, of course. Whenever their neutral side items come back in stock, I think that's most popular now that people more are raving over, I would definitely purchase those as well. But yeah, so I got this set here, the moisturizer, and then of course this was free. And my total came out to be, how much was my total? Let's see if I can see it on here. So it's not on my invoice, but I would definitely put it across the screen from my email. I can't remember how much it was, but it wasn't that much. But yeah, that's what I got from them. And from Solde Janeiro, I got, now they have their sets when it comes with the mist, the moisturizer, and another one, the body cream or something like that. So I got it in this one here, and this one is number 40. So I got it number 40. I wanted the new scent like this, but they didn't have that one, and that was more their new scent is like a I think lavender or something like that. I forgot the number on it, but yeah, I want to try this scent out. I have the mist in the vanilla, which is I think number 62, I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, Oh, it smells good. It smells real good. And this have kind of like a cherry vanilla scent to it, to me. But yeah, smells good. So that is the body mist. And then you have the body wash. And then the cream. But yeah, I just want to share that here with you all today. I've been waiting on it to come in order for me to share with you all, because I wasn't going to share without both packages being here. But yeah, that's all I have for you all today. I hope you all are having an amazing Thursday, and you're having a great day. If not, it's going to be okay. Today is not fully over with. But yeah, and I pray that you are having a great day if you are not. But yeah, that's all I have for you all today. As you can see, the bed is back. We are back in the home. We moved in over the weekend, so be looking out for some moving vlogs dropping here on my channel pretty soon. And it's gonna be more of me, more like cleaning style moving vlogs and organizing, getting everything together, from unpacking room by room. And when I mean room by room, like I said, you never know how much stuff you have until you actually move, and we have a lot of stuff. So yeah, this one here, unpacking for this move is going to be a little bit different from any other move that I ever had. I never moved while I was doing YouTube, but this is the first time. But yeah, this organizing and get everything together is going to take a little bit longer. I guess I accumulated a lot of stuff over the years. But yeah, so be looking out for those vlogs here, and that's all I have for you all today. If you have tried any of these items that I showed you, let me know down in the comments. Let me know how you like them, and what else do you recommend from both brands here. So yeah, I will catch you all in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.